When you're working with WordPress in your Ubuntu local system, sometimes you might face an issue in WordPress site, which is like if you want to install a plugin, you see this kind of error. I mean, this is not an error, this is an prompt. Okay, so how can you solve that? So for that, you just need to add this code. Okay, so I will provide in the video description also. So go to your website or maybe the project, and inside open the wp-config.php, and here after the wp debug just paste this code. Okay, and now click on save. So as you can see, file got saved. Now first of all, you just need to refresh your project, and now if I click on install, you see it says it cannot create the directory. Okay, so for solving this error, you just need to set the permission in your project. So as an example, if I visit the root directory and I visit var ww and html, so this is my project. Okay, so if I type ls-la, you can see this is the permission right now. Okay, now I need to enter inside the project, and I will enter inside content, and I need to enter inside plugins. Okay, or just inside this wp content directory. Now we need to paste some commands, which is this. So just copy this and go to your WordPress project and paste this command and hit enter. Now again copy this project, copy this command. I will provide everything in your video description box, don't worry. Now after that you just need to copy this command and paste into terminal. So as you can see, everything got set up. Now if I refresh, now if I click on install, as you can see, it got installed. If I click on activate, you can see it is activated. If I go to pages, you can see it is working fine. And also in the permalink, if I set to post name, it also working fine. And another thing which is, okay, so if you face other issues like you might be cannot download or upload your theme folder or anything work related that in WordPress project in your server VPS or in your local Ubuntu project, so you just need to use this type of commands. Okay, don't worry, I will also provide this command under this video description, so you might not face any problem regarding that. Okay, and if you still get any problem, you just directly comment me. I will definitely reply you. And I think maybe in today's world, if you face any problem, you can also chat GPT also. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video.